Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Equifax, which is, does Equifax use FICO or VantageScore models? The straightforward answer is that Equifax uses both FICO and VantageScore models. First, it is important to understand that Equifax is a credit bureau, also known as a credit reporting agency. Its primary role is to collect and store your credit history data. FICO and VantageScore are the credit scoring models that use the data in your Equifax credit report to calculate a score. Let's break down how Equifax is involved with each model. VantageScore. Equifax is one of the three major credit bureaus, along with Experian and TransUnion, that jointly created the VantageScore credit scoring model. Since Equifax is a founder of VantageScore, they are heavily involved. When you obtain a free credit score directly from Equifax, it is often a VantageScore 3.0, calculated using the data in your Equifax credit file. FICO score. FICO is a scoring model created by the Fair Isaac Corporation, and it is the score most widely used by lenders in their decision-making process. FICO has developed numerous versions of its scoring model, and for any given FICO score to be calculated, it must use the data from one of the three credit bureaus, including Equifax. Therefore, Equifax provides the data necessary to generate various FICO scores. In summary, Equifax, as a credit bureau, provides the raw data. That data can then be run through either the FICO scoring model or the VantageScore model to produce a credit score. Many consumers receive a VantageScore when checking their credit for free, while the FICO score is still the model lenders most frequently use when you apply for a loan or credit card. It is why you can have several different scores for the same period. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.